Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best GATE coaching in your city Kanpur? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city Kanpur. Before moving to the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. We have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is a rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Triumphant Institute of Management Studies, that is TIME Institute. The 2.5-decade-old institute is a renowned name in the field of GATE coaching institutes in Kanpur. TIME provides exemplary classroom coaching for GATE to equip the students with solid conceptual skills. Further, the coaching institute has helped many students pursue their dream of doing MTech from IITs and IISc, and also of getting into PSUs. TIME is led by a large team of dedicated experts drawn from premier institutes like IITs, IISc, NITs, etc. The course plan is updated and reviewed every year and is supplemented with a multitude of practice tests. In addition to this, the successful GATE classroom program in Kanpur, TIME also hosts correspondence programs for those who are unable to access their regular classroom program. Now let us talk about the features of the institute. The very first is in-depth course coverage with a right blend of theory and numericals. Number 2, 15 plus subject material books along with practice questions and previous year's papers. Number 3, more than 30 full-length tests and 140 plus practice tests. Number 4, small batches for personalized attention. And at last, topic-wise tests followed by classroom discussion is conducted by the institute. At rank 4, we have Engineers Academy. Engineers Academy is one of the most prominent institutes in Kanpur. The coaching institute was established with the aim of providing quality technical education to engineers preparing for technical competitive examinations. Within a span of a decade, Engineers Academy yielded fruitful results and got the acclamation of being one of the best GATE coaching institutes in Kanpur. Moreover, in the present time, the coaching institute has centers in all major cities of the country and is revered by a majority of GATE aspirants. Engineers Academy is one of the few coachings that are impaneled within the National Project Implement Unit, that is NPIU. Now let us discuss some of the features of Engineers Academy. Very first is an experienced team of faculty members. Number 2, strong content development team. Number 3, widely preferred study material. Number 4, online test series and postal programs are offered by the institute. And at last, detailed analysis of previous year's papers. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is the Target Core Coaching. Another name that tops the chart of the prominent great coaching institutes in Kanpur is Target Co. Equipped with a team of well-dedicated and experienced faculty, Target Core has been providing quality guidance to GATE aspirants. Further, the coaching institute aims to enrich the knowledge of its students so as to make them capable of qualifying the GATE. A student-centric approach coupled with smartly curated courseware is something that adds a distinguishing element to the coaching institute. The major focus is on developing conceptual clarity and a rightful approach to tackle questions. Now let us discuss some of the features of the institute. The very first is clear and logical study material. Number 2, regular and weekend batches. Number 3, a team of professional teachers. Number 4, target specific approach of study, and at last they have effective test series. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city, Kanpur. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more informations and updates like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.